Good morning. Welcome to QuestByte. I'm your host, Corinne Kale. Happy Wednesday. I'm back. I was gone driving until I found the coolest bridge I could find, and here's where I ended up. I couldn't tell you where I am, but glad you're joining me this morning because we have a trick to share that will just amaze your friends and your family. Do you believe that I can suspend a bottle of water from a table with a toothpick? You're definitely going to want to stick around to see how this works. But first, we're going to play Spot the Quapples. I will put 30 seconds on the clock for you to try and find them. There's 5 Quapples, of course. That is the education logo in the bottom left corner of your screen. The apple with the Quest Q in it. So there's going to be 5 for you to find across the picture when it shows up. Now it's going to be a wall of milk, and this will make sense why there's milk. Here it is. Let me just restart the clock. Give you 30 seconds. There's going to be a wall of milk, and all of that will make sense when we get a little bit further on into the explanation of what we're doing today. So there's 30 seconds on the clock. There's 5 Quapples. Let me know if you find them all. Let me know if you're watching this morning. About 20 seconds left. 15. I'm excited to share this experiment with you because it is cool. And in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Were you able to find all 5 Quapples? If you did, great job. The answer is waiting to appear for you. I know that top one, there was one on that top row of milk. Can you see it now that I'm saying that before the answer comes up? There they are, all 5 right there. So what are you going to need to do the toothpick trick today? You will need 3 toothpicks, a full water bottle, a long string, and a milk jug or something heavy. This explains the milk. So what's going to happen? A few weeks ago, my coworker, Quest application engineer, Garrett Klein, actually sent me this video of this little toothpick holding up this bottle of water. And he said I should do this for a QuestByte. Well, I thought, well, Garrett, why don't you explain the engineering behind it, because you're the engineer. So he's going to join us and explain how exactly this works.
Hey, thanks, Corinne. Yeah, my name's Garrett Klein. I'm an application engineer at Quest. I've worked here for about 10 years now. And I just want to talk to you guys a little bit about the science that we're going to do in the experiment. We're going to be talking about tension and compression. So I've got a little example here to show you. This is called a tensegrity table. So it works off of tension, but we can also see compression in it. So you can see there's nothing like physically like really holding this table up besides these pieces of string. And how that works is this piece of string is holding tension. See, if I push down on it, this gets really tight. And these other pieces of string kind of just keep it balanced, all through tension. So how we can see compression through this, though, is if I push down on a corner, you can see how that line kind of gives a little bit, starts to bend. Right. That's because it's trying to resist compression. So again, just with a piece of string here, if I pull on the string, it's in tension. If I push my hands together, it would try to resist compression, and the string is not very good at that as far as the material goes. I got another piece of material here that we can look at, just a piece of wood, and it's actually really good at resisting tension, but it's also much, much better at resisting compression than the string was. So in the experiment that we're going to do today, what I want you to do is look to see where the different materials are in tension and whether they're in compression. And basically what we do in engineering is we want to make sure that the right material is being used in the right situation. So hopefully you guys really enjoy the experiment today.
Thanks, Garrett. Isn't that awesome? So let's explain how to set this up. First, you need to put that toothpick on the edge of the table. You want a little more than half of it on the table, and then you'll hang the string that's tied to the bottle from it. And you'll want that milk jug to hold that toothpick in place. Then you're going to put a toothpick straight across, touching both sides of the string. You'll put that last toothpick in between the horizontal toothpick and the one on the table to create that tension. Now let's see what happens when I remove my jug. It holds up. How cool is that? We can even swing the water bottle a little bit on the table. Imagine setting that up and having everyone come see. Pretty cool, right? I hope you learned something today. Send us the pictures if you're able to try this at home. I'm really excited to see your tricks that you guys put together. It may take a little bit just to get that tension just right, but don't give up on yourself. You can do it. I'm excited to see what you guys come up with. I hope you had fun. Go out and try that today. Be sure to join us on Friday because we are going to be joined by Mark Bitz from Spokane Valley Tech, and he's revealing the QuestByte Summer Challenge. You won't want to miss it. We're actually going to be talking about bridges again. We'll see you right here Friday at 9:30 for that. Until next time, continue onward with your quest for knowledge, and thanks for watching.